Dry gangrene versus wet gangrene. Differences. Site of dry gangrene is limbs, and wet gangrene commonly found in bowel. Putrefaction. In dry gangrene, it is limited as blood supply in dry gangrene is little, but in case of wet gangrene, putrefaction is marked due to more blood supply. Macroscopy. Dry gangrene. Organ in dry gangrene are dry, shrunken and black, but in case of wet gangrene, organ are moist, soft, swollen and rotten. Mechanism behind dry gangrene. Dry gangrene occur due to arterial occlusion, but wet gangrene commonly occur due to venous obstruction and less commonly arterial occlusion. Line of demarcation. Dry gangrene. In case of dry gangrene, there is a line of demarcation present between healthy and gangrenous part, but in case of wet gangrene, there are no clear line of demarcation between healthy and gangrenous part. Bacteria. In dry gangrene, bacteria fails to survive due to less blood supply, but in case of wet gangrene, there are numerous bacteria present due to more blood supply. Prognosis. Prognosis of dry gangrene is generally better due to less presence of bacteria and infection, but in case of wet gangrene, prognosis is generally poor due to more chances of toxicity and toxemia, septicemia. Hope you learn differentiate between dry gangrene and wet gangrene. Thank you for watching this. If you like, please subscribe and share this